How to view a pinned messages of a chat on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can view pinned messages of a specific chat on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Now, once you are in, tap on the chat. Let me tap on this one. Now, in order to view the pinned messages of this specific conversation, all you have to do is tap on this name right here at the top. Now, here scroll down and you will see the pinned messages option right here. Tap on pinned messages, and here you will see all the pinned messages you have done in this chat. Like all the pinned messages from this chat will appear right here. And that's it. This is how easy it is to view the pinned messages on Messenger. Now go back. Now in order to see the pinned messages of the conversation of another conversation, all you have to do is open that conversation and repeat the same process like this, and you will see the pinned messages right here. Tap on it, and in this way you can view any pinned messages. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.